So at this point, I think I remember you saying there's about almost 300 snippets that are available right as version 9.3 gets released. Are there going to be more coming, and how do I get to those?
Absolutely. As we get user feedback, we're going to certainly create more snippets and make them available for you for service packs or on the web or whatever mechanism we can get them out to you.
So can I make my own snippets?
Oh, absolutely. Well, you have two options. You can use the standard Microsoft XML format for making snippets, and with that option, of course, you're restricted to you can't use the ArcGIS Snippet Finder to find that, and you can actually find more about that on the Microsoft MSDN website. Or you can actually take advantage of our Esri XML format for snippets, which would enable you to take advantage of the ArcGIS Snippet Finder and really improve your library.
Super. Can you show me how to do that?
Oh, sure. Hold on a second.
Okay.
So the way that we would go about that is we would go and right-click in the context menu and choose ArcGIS Snippet Finder. And to start off with, I'll actually point to a directory that has my own custom snippets. So I'll go to the Preferences tab, choose Directories. You choose which language that you're interested in. In my case, I'm going to program in VB.NET. Click the Add button, and that's going to bring up the Browse for Folder dialog. You want to go navigate on your hard drive of where you've got your snippets located. I have mine under My Custom Snippets in VB.NET. That's the folder that has the different snippet XML files. I'll click OK. It's added there. We'll close the Preferences dialog. And let's say I had a Hello World snippet. So I'll just type in the keyword hello. Well, it's not going to show up under ArcGIS Desktop. Where it's going to show up as is under my custom snippets. So I can point to my folder. I can click the search button. Here's my snippet. I actually have, I've chosen to use some of the standard guidance XML documentation help. Click the Insert Code button. And here's my snippet for me, working right away. So how did I make all that happen? Well, I'm going to right-click and choose ArcGIS Snippet Finder. I'm going to go into the Tools and Options menu, click on the Directories tab, and I'm going to click on the Help button. That's going to launch the Microsoft Document Explorer, and it'll take us to adding user-specified directories. And you can actually go through and learn about adding your searchable directory, removing a searchable directory, and, most important, the ArcGIS snippet format. And what you can do is you can find out that these additional XML tags are embedded within the standard Microsoft snippet format. And as you go through, we'll actually give you a discussion on what each tag is and what's expected to be inside of that tag. And of course, you can learn from what's available inside of our standard snippets to give you a general idea. And that can be used then to generate your own snippets.
So what you just showed me for creating my own snippets, I have to XML tag that up myself. Are there any plans for making an editor that make it a little bit easier for me?
Absolutely. We're working on that for a service pack or for the next release of ArcGIS. We're going to come up with an ArcGIS snippet editor. The concept at this point being you could actually be inside of Visual Studio, you could copy and paste your snippet code into this editor. It'll automatically write the XML tags for you, and then your ArcGIS Snippet Finder will just use it.
This sounds like great news for developers to give them some helpful code. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to us about this, Don.
All right. Thanks, Jim.
All right, take care.